back again to our channel. Guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is good. So today we are in the kitchen. I am here with my little princess
Kamsi. Yeah, if this is the first time in our channel, you're highly welcome and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. And to our 10 subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you.
And if you are new in this channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so consider to subscribe, okay? Comment, like, and share. Comment help us to know who is actually watching our video, okay? And we make our video from Lagos, Nigeria. So in today's video, we are going to make what?
Shawarma.
Yes, guys, we are going to make shawarma. We have actually made that video in our channel before. If you check here, okay, so we are going to repeat it today. I and Kamsi, we are going to make this shawarma today, and I hope this recipe will interest you. You're going to enjoy it. It's very easy to make in your kitchen if you have the recipe. Okay, so let's go.
That's the recipe.
Yes, so
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club.
yes, we are going to use, guys, we have shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, cucumber, boneless chicken, we have sausage, sliced onion, seasoning, the bread, shawarma bread, okay, lettuce, black pepper, tomato. We are also using mayonnaise and ketchup, okay? So let's get started. So first we are going to marinate the chicken, okay? The boneless chicken. Put the spices, pepper. I like adding this soya spice, okay? I like the taste in my chicken. Salt to taste, and small vegetable oil to keep it moist, okay? Then mix it. Mix it very well until the chicken absorbs the ingredients, okay? The spices. So now I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. You can leave it more than 30 minutes if you have the time, okay? So after 30 minutes, I got to fry the boneless chicken.
Now it is time to fry the sausage.
So now let's mix the mayonnaise and ketchup. Mix it very well. So it's now to mix the vegetables. Okay, this is shredded cabbage, then the carrots, shredded carrots. Now I have to add the chicken, okay, the fried chicken. So I have to add the cream, okay, the mixture of mayonnaise and the ketchup. So it's time to wrap.
Time to wrap it.
Cucumber.
This fried sausage, onions, the tomato, and the lettuce.
Okay, so now you wrap it. Okay, sit. Now I'm going to put it in the foil paper. Because I'm going to put it in the oven for 3 minutes, okay?
Now we're done. We're going to put it in the oven for 3 minutes.
Guys, we are done with this shawarma. How do you see it? Hope you like it. If you do, please let us know in the comment section, okay? See how easy and perfect way to make shawarma for your kids.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Share to your family, share to your friends. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video on Kamsi Space.
Until we see you again in our next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you.
Bye-bye.